Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive into a deep part of learning programming, and I am going to explore what are top programming languages to learn in 2023. So let us begin with our actual core part to understand which are the programming language in which you should be expert to get career in IT industry in 2023. So far we have discussed so many things regarding code editors, and in code editor also we have discussed about different programming languages. But now to start your career in IT industry, which are the topmost programming languages that we have to learn is very important part to begin with your career. So let us start our actual video. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end. And if you are excited to learn which are the very important programming languages, put in a comment box that I am ready to understand. Take a lot of notes and watch the video till the end. So let us begin with our actual part. Now we are going to talk about top programming languages that we have to learn in 2023 to get good career in IT industry. And the first programming language on our list is a Python. Now Python is not a new programming language. It is already there since last so many years, but now the Python is on the first position in our list because of its versatility and its extensive use in IT industry. Our first programming language is Python. You can start directly learning from Python, but at the end I'm going to explore something more, so please watch this video till the end. I'm going to talk about 8 programming languages, and at the end of this list I'm going to give you a very important tip and hint, and that will be very useful and important for your career in IT industry. Please watch this video till the end because at the end I'm going to share a tip. Don't skip the video. Watch every point that we are going to discuss, because in every programming language I'm going to explore why we need to learn this programming language and what is the purpose of this. Now Python is the first programming language that we have to learn, and why it is important, because nowadays there is a huge talk about machine learning and AI. In every sector AI is entering, and we have to write different types of codes and programs and applications, and to develop such applications the most important programming language in IT industry is right now Python, and that is the reason why Python is at number 1 position. To work with data science, to work with machine learning, to write some scripting part, overall as a first programming language we can start with Python. The second programming language on our list is JavaScript. Now JavaScript is mainly used for web development, and its main purpose is to write code for validation, as well as now we can write some code for server-side scripting also by using some different techniques. Now for front-end frameworks JavaScript is very important, as well as we can write different scripts. Those can be downloaded at client end and we can run. So JavaScript is very important. Learning JavaScript will open new doors for you in the world of web development. Now you can see every business is coming on in online mode, and therefore development of website will become very popular, and there will be too much job opportunity for a web developer. And for a web developer, JavaScript is must. Third programming language on our list is Rust. Now Rust is system level programming language. If you are interested to write lower level programming, lower level means if you are interested to develop system applications or hardware related programs, then Rust is one of the important programming language to learn in 2023. Now you can develop some applications by using C programming also, but IT industry demands Rust for developing lower level of programs because of its memory safety and its performance. Its performance in case of hardware programming is excellent, and there is no alternative for Rust for this time. So it's a great choice if you are interested in low level programming and if you are interested to build a system level software. The fourth programming language on our list is TypeScript. Now TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. So if you are good in JavaScript, you can easily migrate to TypeScript, but it is taken as a separate programming language. Right now rapidly accepted by IT industry. The main companies are adopting it for its strong typing system, which enhances its code quality and scalability. Now the scalability is one of the very important part in IT industry because of development of different kinds of web services. And because of this scalability, TypeScript is being accepted by different companies, and therefore this is one more programming language you should be expert in 2023 to get your career in IT industry. It is a smart choice for modern web development. If you want to develop modern websites, then you must know this TypeScript programming language. The fifth programming language on our list is something different, and it is called as Go. Sometimes it is also called as a GoLang, or it is also pronounced as a GoLang. Now, whatever you want to pronounce, but it is mainly known as a Go. Now, this is known for its efficiency and simplicity. Now, GoLang is widely used in cloud computing. It is also used for microservices. Now it's a world of cloud computing. If you see, in everywhere we are using cloud directly or indirectly, whether it may be in the form of services, it might be in the form of storage, or it might be in the form of subscription based softwares. Everywhere using cloud is as mandatory, and in future there is a huge demand for cloud based application development. Now if you are expert in GoLang or Go programming language, it will be very easy for you to develop cloud based applications. Now GoLang is widely used in microservices as well as it is used for backend development. Learning Go can give you a career solid boost, because in future every company will try to develop an application on cloud, and cloud programming is very easy with the help of Go. I am going to add some more videos on this programming language to get the deep knowledge of this programming. The sixth programming language on our list is Kotlin. Now Kotlin is mostly used for mobile app development. Now everyone is using mobile, everything they want on the hands. So instead of using desktop based applications, there is a huge demand for mobile app development. Everyone wants their own mobile app, and therefore Kotlin is one of the very important programming language that you have to learn in 2023. It is preferred for Android app development. Google is officially supporting it, and Kotlin is widely used by different programming languages because Play Store, Google's Play Store gives tick mark immediately if you are developing through Kotlin. Seventh programming language is Ruby. Ruby is known for its elegant syntax and easy to use approach. Now Ruby is not a new, it is one of the open source technology and programming. It's popular in web development, particularly with the Ruby on Rails framework. If you are interested in building web development and web based apps quickly, Ruby might be good choice for you. Now we are coming to the last programming language on the list, eighth one, and it is Swift. Now Swift is used for iOS app development. Now Swift is a language to master because it is official programming language for Apple. So Apple is using Swift for developing its different apps, and we can see Mac operating system, iOS operating system, it is widely used on Apple devices, and Apple devices are booming in industry. Every businessman is choosing Apple for its looks, not only for its looks, but because of its user friendliness and the service they are providing. And in future there will be huge demand for programmers, those who can write applications, develop applications for iOS. If you are having a knowledge of Swift, it will be a good option for you to develop your career in it. So these are 8 programming languages. I will repeat again. The first programming language is a Python, second one is a JavaScript, third one is a Rust for lower level development, fourth one is a TypeScript, fifth one is a Kotlin for mobile app development, seventh is a Ruby, eighth is a Swift. Now if you see, I have combined this package from different platforms. Something is for web development, something is for cloud, something is for iOS, something is for Android. These programming languages you should have knowledge on this, or you should have expertise in these programming languages, so that you can make your career better in IT industry. My special suggestion that I already told you, that at the end I am going to tell you something more about this. If you are totally new you can start learning Python. But I am recommending you can start learning from C programming, because C programming is best for all programming languages. Once you are having knowledge of programming by writing C programs, and if you are having knowledge of data structures, it will be very easy for you to migrate to any other programming language, and you can learn these concepts and you can become expert in it. I have developed a special model, programming expert model, and I am starting from how to develop your mindset, how to start your first programming language, and then slowly I am migrating to the object oriented programming. Then I am giving the full knowledge of data structures, and then I am also providing what is cloud development, what are the fundamentals those are used in cloud application development, what are different approaches used in data science, machine learning, and then we are ending with the introduction to Java programming. Once you are having this kind of foundation, you can learn any other programming language very quickly, and you can get good career in IT industry. So if you are not part of my community till today, you can just type the link given below. Just go to the Maksoft education/join, and you can join my silver membership, where I am giving you these programming languages at very reasonable rates. Once you are expert in this, you can go for learning further and more programming languages. If you found any value in this video, please put in your comment, and if you think that any other programming language is also very important to learn in 2023, you can put it in comment, and it will be also useful for others. Your comments will be useful for others, because they can also see what are other programming languages those are important from your point of view. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, and put your comment, so that will motivate me for giving more videos on these topics. Thank you. Bye bye.